Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Tesla vehicle into neutral. So there's really no option on the screen here. You can just go to, uh, forward, back, park, etc. Now you do have the option to go to service mode right here. And if you go to car wash mode, there is an option in there to kind of like put in neutral too. When you're going through a car wash and you got a conveyor belt. But if you just look up now when you're in your vehicle, you might have missed all these. You have these buttons right here. So just hit the flashers once and these will be lit up. But you have park, reverse, neutral, and drive. So we can just tap one of these buttons and I am now in neutral. Just like that. And you can see neutral's highlighted there. And the screen looks a little bit different now too. It doesn't look normal. So let's put it back in the park here. And we should be able to get it in there. It's like, and there we go. We're back into park. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.